Let's go crazy on this one. This is Paris. So step number 1, open the shadow, put on the highlights, boost the white, do the black, hold on the option key. Yeah, black is good. Okay, this one is kind of boring in terms of colors. It was a sunset, but the sunset was really bad. So we're gonna cheat on this one. We're gonna actually do a sky replacement. I'm gonna make it straight. Okay, so step number 2 is the white balance. I wanna make it a lot warmer because it was warm, a lot more magenta. Yes, something like that. You have to go to saturation, add a bit of saturation on the warm colors, just a tad. Maybe make it slightly darker. Yeah, let's see here. And let's go to Photoshop, edit in Photoshop 2023. Here we are. Boom. Edit. Sky replacement. On this one, I want a crazy blue hour sky. I think the one I originally used was this one. I want something really crazy. And then on the foreground color, I'm going to double click here and it's going to open the curve. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the red. And you see if I go up on the curve and down, I'm just changing the foreground color. So I'm just going to, because this is the default curve, I'm just going to add a lot of red, just like if there was a bleed over there. And then, yeah, sky replacement did a good job. Good job. And then I think I'm just going to go to File, Close, Save to bring this one back into Lightroom. And I think I'm going to do like a bit of a double development because it's going to help sell the idea that the sky was not changed. You know, this kind of sky could have happened. What's important when you do sky replacement is that you take a sky that could have been at this time. You see, and the sun was setting, and sometimes when the sun set and you have a lot of high clouds, you can get this like sort of very blue-red stuff in the lights. Okay, here we are. Okay, cool. I'm going to add some contrast and then maybe take out a little bit of saturation. It's a little too saturated. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to add a gradient for the bottom of the photo. Voila. And then I think I just want to add a bit of a radial gradient here. And this one, I don't want to put it behind, just a little bit over here, so that the light sort of blends here. Voila. Okay, that's about it. Let's see here. This is the before, after. Kind of crazy. You can always join me on my website on photoserge.com. And thank you very much for this.
Join us at Photoshop World, September 24th through 26th. Learn more at photoshopworld.com.